Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install a GoPedal in your Jeep Gladiator JT.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and you're going to pull out on this tab here and release the harness off the top of the gas pedal. Okay, and you take your GoPedal and you're going to put it on top of the gas pedal, and then you're going to take your GoPedal harness and plug it into the stock harness, just like that. Now we take this harness wire and we're going to kind of tuck it under the center console and the dash here, and just kind of hide the wires. Once you have your GoPedal installed, you're going to turn on your Jeep. Okay, then you're going to turn your pedal on. Okay, there's Eco. You can detune it by 3, uptune it by 3. There's Sport, detune, uptune by 3. Then Sport Plus, detune it by 3. You can go 1, or uptune it by 3. And please keep in mind, you do not want to be messing with these buttons or playing with the app with your foot on the accelerator at the same time. In other words, do not be messing with this as you're driving down the road.
That is how you install the GoPedal in your Jeep Gladiator JT. Any questions, give us a call or email.